Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I am Szabi from CodeRevolution. So let me show you today how exactly to delete a plugin that has errors or it causes your site to break using cPanel. So this method will help you to debug your site, and if your site is no longer functional and you can't access its admin panel, you can use this method to fix it and to make it work again, because it will delete the plugin that caused the site to break. So let me show you exactly how to do this. So let's assume that this site is no longer functioning. I just assume this because the site is actually functioning, but let's say I installed, for example, the plugin BBPress and it broke my site. So now to fix this, I must log into my cPanel account here and click on File Manager. So search for File Manager and click on it. Now this will load up. Now open the public HTML folder. Open the WP content folder. This will show if you have your WordPress in the root directory. If you don't have the WordPress in your root directory of your website, then here you should search for the subfolder where you have WordPress installed. So if you have your domain name /WP, this is where your WordPress is found, then you should search here for the folder WP. But in this case, I have WordPress installed in my root, so I go directly to public HTML WP content. So go to WP content and now go to plugins. And now search for the plugin that you suspect that it broke your site, because it should be found in this plugins list. So in this case, I suspect that BBPress broke my site. So click on BBPress here and simply click on delete. Check skip trash to delete it permanently, to not trash it, and click confirm. Afterwards, you should be able to log in again to your site if you are correct in suspecting that the plugin that you deleted was breaking your site. After you deleted this, you can go back to your site, refresh it, and if you are correct and the plugin was breaking your site, it will work again. Okay, so this is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more similar videos. I release a new video every day at 8 p.m. GMT. So hit also the bell notification to get notified each time I create a new video. So this is all for now. Until next time, have a great day. Bye bye.